So, hello everyone. This is Rochelle Monda Cruz. So, our topic for today is the communication media channels, discipline and ideas in the applied social science. So, introduction is in this lesson, you'll learn to identify the different communication media channels to use in different situations as a senior high school student. So, what is communication channel? A communication channel is the medium through which you send a message to another person. There are written, verbal, and non-verbal channels of communication. An electronic channel is another means to communicate verbally, non-verbally, or in writing. So, ang communication channel daw is the medium, which is yung tool na magagamit mo to send a message to another person na pwedeng written, example is text message, 'di ba? Chat, tapos verbal pwede siyang voice message, ganon, and non-verbal channels, ayan. Ayan, so, for the last topic is the 7 essentials for hybrid businesses. So, in a business context, that's usually to share informations, ask questions, or provide answers to questions that could be in person as a face-to-face conversation over the phone or virtually over the internet via email, social media, or instant messages. Ayan, so meron daw tayong essential na communication for businesses na importante na ayun nga pwede siyang face to face, over the phone, virtual, or over the internet, social media, and instant message. So ayun nga. So ayun, nagets ba lahat?
Hello guys, so my name is Mary Rose G. Feliciada. Print media newspaper, a paper that is printed and distributed usually daily or weekly and that contains news, articles of opinion, features, and advertising. Sabi po dito na ang papel na ipinamamahagi araw-araw o kaya ay lingguhan ay naglalaman ng mga balita, mga artikulo o opinyon at mga tampok na patalastas. Ito po ang list ng print media newspaper. Publishes periodically and carries mainly news story with opinions and advertisement classified according to type of content, circulation area, audience, language, and periodicity, divided into 2 sections, editorial and business. Gas media radio naman tayo. Ang sabi sa broadcast media, radio naman po ay tunog komunikasyon sa pamamagitan ng mga radyo at sa pamamagitan ng pagpapadala ng musika, balita at iba pang uri ng programa mula sa mga istasyon ng broadcast sa maraming individual na tagapakinig. Mass media because of the following: cost-effective, low demand on literacy skills, portability, a background medium, accessibility to the visual challenge, classified as AM amplitude modulation and FM frequency modulation. Sa social media, ang sabi po dito na ang technologies ang nagpapadali sa paglikha, pagbabahagi at pag-aggregate ng nilalaman, idea, interes at iba pang pahayag sa pamamagitan ng mga virtual na mga network.
Broadcast media television, a form of mass media based on the electronic delivery of moving images and sound from a source to a receiver. Isang daluyan ng telekomunikasyon para sa pagpapadala ng mga gumagalaw na imahe at tunog. Ang termino ay maaaring tumutukoy sa isang telebisyon o ang daluyan ng paghahatid ng telebisyon. Ang telebisyon ay isang mass medium para sa advertising, entertainment, balita at sport. According to the UNESCO World Communication and Information Report, television follows radio in popularity. Base nga sa nabanggit ko kanina, nagagamit din to bilang pagkokomunikasyon sa ibang tao kahit saang lugar man. New media are communication technologies that enable or enhance interaction between users as well as interaction between users and content. Kilala rin bilang digital media ay binubuo ng mga digital at advertising na pamamaraan na nangyari online o kinasasangkutan ng internet tulad ng social media o email marketing. A set of applied communication technologies that continue to evolve. Interactive that uses internet such as vlog, wikis, and others. Compute-aided communication that are found online. Characteristics of it are interactivity, ubiquity, accessible to individual users as senders and are receivers, a medium of both mass and personal communication and multimediality.